Can birds smell? Part 3. The probe foraging birds. Birds with long narrow bills probe in the soil to find food. The bill tip is crammed full of tactile or touch and olfactory smell sensors. These sensors detect the movement and scent of prey in the soil, even from a few centimeters away from the bill tip. When detected, the prey is pulled to the surface and swallowed. Sometimes the prey is first pounded with the bill to soften it before swallowing. Some birds, like the wood hoopoes, probe under lichen to find prey there. Waders or shorebirds also use this probing method to find food under the soil. They use several sensors to find the hidden prey. First, seeing the hole by sight, then inserting the bill into the hole and tactilely feeling and smelling for prey. Waders even probe under the water to find prey by touch and smell.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.